to East Texas Now. Joined with us here on the show, I'd like to welcome there he is, Jordan Stanley. He is an orthopedic surgeon. He is also one of 12 doctors that are joining the Longview Regional Medical Center. Good afternoon to you, sir.
Hey, good afternoon to you.
So tell us a little bit about, now you've been practicing, you're part of the Longview Orthopedic Regional Clinics, is that right?
That's correct.
Okay, so tell us, for those of us that don't know, the difference between what you're already a part of and now what you, as well as your 11 other doctors, are now joining.
Okay. Well, we have been, for the last 75 years, Longview Orthopedic Clinic Association. And that began in 1955, and we've been an independent group during that time period. And we've just recently joined with Longview Regional Hospital, in particular their regional clinics. So we're excited about it. It was a good move for us. We had always been at Regional Hospital, so it really wasn't that big of a transition for us. So, and I think just by joining with them, it allows us the opportunity to take care of people better, to enhance what we have to offer. And so we're excited for it.
Yeah, definitely. Let's expand on that just a little bit. So what additional resources or additional people are you going to be able to now treat now that you're a part of the Longview Regional Medical Center?
You know, I just think everything that's available that we had at our clinic, we'll be doing the same thing, just on a larger scale, like offering physical therapy. We'll be able to do better as far as offering imaging studies, CT scans and MRIs we couldn't do. And I think just with all the support of a big hospital system, it just frees us up and gives us the ability to take care of patients more than running a business.
For you personally, what do you look forward to most about now joining a larger pond, if you will?
Okay, good question. For me personally, it's the opportunity to spend more time taking care of patients than it is running a business. And that's what it kind of comes down to.
Wow, that's incredible. Can you expand just a little bit on that and on what that means? Is it because you're not independent anymore, so you're not the person taking care of all of the steps? Instead, you're able to focus, or?
Well, you just have more free time in a day. If you're trying to run a business, you spend a lot of time on how the business is running, things we can do. You're in marketing and insurance for your employees and retirement for your employees. So all these things that you spent your time working on, you know, now you're free to spend more time for patient care. And, you know, for sure, patient satisfaction, we want good customer relations and people to have easy access to us and just be more open and accommodating. And that allows us to do.
Definitely. So for those of us that live in Longview and Marshall areas, what does this mean for us when it comes to our healthcare?
I think you'll get a better quality of healthcare, and maybe more will be more accessible. The facilities, you know, will be nicer. We'll be able to expand, have a bigger footprint, and you know, supportive staff. And again, it basically comes down to just customer satisfaction. We want people to call and somebody answers the phone right away. Scheduling is easy, and just people feel welcome, and we can spend more time doing that than the business part of it.
Absolutely. Now, before we go, is there any information that we have not covered that you feel is imperative for East Texans to know about this expansion?
As of right now, the message I'd like to get across is we've just started, and we're in different locations because the size of our group, regional couldn't house us under one roof. So a group of us are at 802, which is the medical building right there on campus, but our spine partner is on the Loop. And we have a pain management partner that's in one of the other buildings on campus. And so we're spread out right now, but within the year, we hope to be under a new facility, which will be right there on the regional campus.
Phenomenal. Great to know exactly where to be able to find you guys, especially because, like you said, it is split in two different locations. Yeah, fantastic information to know. Again, Dr. Jordan Stanley, orthopedic surgeon, joining the Longview Regional Medical Center, one of 12 doctors that are now joining that Longview Regional Medical Center. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us here on East Texas Now, and we look forward to being able to visit you in your new place.
All right, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon.